Hello YouTube, welcome to my kitchen. I just changed an over-the-top microwave oven last night. So it's a Samsung. So you can do so many things with it. Cooking. See it? There you go. Samsung. You got that's for the light. There you go. Low, high. This is for the vent. The speed. You can put it high, how many speed you want it. You see it? See the light? Super bright. You see it? It's very bright. So bright. Oh yes. Yeah, look at all this thing you can do with it. Let's go button. So, this is Samsung over the top. You see it? Yeah. There we go. See it? Inside. This is inside. Look at that. There you go. I think you can bake with it, bake some stuff. That's the. There you go. If you want to bake chicken, whatever you want to bake, these are the thing you can do here. The guide, the cooking guide. You know, all this thing. So that's my first time buying one. So I don't know. Let's see. Here we go. It's a Samsung oven, microwave oven over the top. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more.